Unraveling the mystery of cat's nose rubbing. Ever wonder why your cat rubs its nose against you? It's a fascinating behavior with deep meanings. First, nose rubbing is a way for cats to mark their territory. It's their version of a personal signature. Their nose has scent glands that release pheromones. These pheromones send messages to other cats and animals. When a cat rubs its nose on you, it's saying, "You are part of my family." It's a sign of trust. Cats also use nose rubbing as a greeting. It's a friendly way to say hello in the feline world. The behavior can also be a request for attention. Your cat might be asking for pets or playtime. Nose rubbing is a comforting action for cats. It makes them feel secure and relaxed. Sometimes, it's a way to communicate health. A healthy cat will often engage in this behavior. It's important to reciprocate with gentle affection. This strengthens your bond and reassures your cat. Understanding this behavior helps you care better for your feline friend. It's more than just a cute quirk. Next time your cat rubs its nose against you, remember it's sharing its world with you. Cherish these moments. They are small, yet deeply meaningful signs of your cat's love and trust.